Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. Okay friends, I think I'm going to start with my thrifted finds first, so I will show you that first. So the first thing that I thrifted was this cute little like antique gold brass hook, and I like to use these for different things, and they're really nice to display things, and like for example a Valentine ornament I could hang from it. Let me get one for you just to show you. Okay, so yeah, like that. I could hang like a little heart ornament, or I could also hang, showing you my next item here already, but I could hang like a cute little Valentine house from it, because this one actually has a little hook on top, so that's nice. But yeah, so there's a few little ideas, but there's so many different things you can use the hook for. I also could use this in my booth where I sell items, so it'd be a nice display. I could just hang something if I wanted to display something nicely from it. So if you can see that, it was 99 cents at the thrift store. So I liked that, and then I'll go ahead and show you this little cute metal house next, since I already gave you a little sneak peek of that. But it has the cute little heart cutouts on the front and back, and also on the roof on each side has like a little heart wreath cutout. I just thought this was so cute. Even though it was missing the bottom thing that holds the little tea light candle in, I got it anyways for 99 cents because I thought that's such a good price, right? And I thought that was cute, so I didn't mind it was missing for 99 cents. And then I can still put a little battery operated candle in there if I wanted to, and set it somewhere or on a little pedestal, some kind of type of little riser or something. That would be cute. And so then the next item I got was these cute little gold heart ornaments, and they have little hangers on them. There was 4 in the pack, and it was $1.99 for 4 of them. And I could even hang one of these. Well, it's hard to tell with the tape on it. Let me cut the tape off. They're all taped together. I gotta be careful not to cut the ribbon off when I'm cutting the tape off here. Okay. Bear with me. Let me see. Okay. So yeah, these would be so cute just if I wanted to hang. I wanted to hang a little gold heart from it, I could. So yeah, I think these are really cute for a Valentine's tree too. Okay. You could even make a garland with them. If I wanted to like tie them together, that would be cute too. Okay, so the next thing I got at the thrift store was this really cute metal little mug, but it actually has a candle in it, and it was actually a Christmas item, I believe, because yeah, it says comfort and joy. Orange clove is the scent, and it's by Two's Company, and I believe this is a soy, let me see, yeah, soy wax candle. And I don't know if you can see that, but Two's Company is the name brand. And yeah, even though it's Christmas, I'm gonna take this off, and this little striped red ribbon is so cute on here, and I can burn this for Valentine's because it goes with my red, so it'll be perfect. So always check and look for things as they're going on sale after Christmas, and think about them for Valentine's Day as well. Okay, the next thing I thrifted was this cute little sign, this little wood sign. It says, "All you need is love." And I thought that was so cute. This originally was from Marshall's. I don't know if you could see. So it was originally from Marshall's for $4.99. It's designs by Kathy, and I got it at the thrift store for 99¢. I don't know if you can see. Get it closer for you. So that was only 99¢. I thought that was so cute for Valentine's Day, because all you need is love, right? Okay. The next thing I thrifted was this cute gold love sign, and I liked the color of gold on this, so that's why I really liked it. And this was $1.99 at the thrift store, and I want to go with that gold with my Valentine's this year, so I picked that up. And then let's see, the next thing that I thrifted was this super soft red blanket. And I think this will be pretty like on my sofa or my chair for Valentine's Day. And I liked the little fringe on here too as well, but it's super, super soft. So I love that. And it was only $4.99 for that. Oops, I just knocked over my hook, my little hanger hook thing. Sorry guys. Okay, I'll move that out of the way. And then the next things I will share with you are from the Dollar Tree store. I picked up a few things there that I thought maybe I could do a little bit of DIY with these. And so these cute little grapevine hearts I thought would make such a cute little Valentine garland. And so I picked up some ribbon too from the Dollar Tree. And this is the red and white little gingham checked ribbon that they have there in the Valentine section. And so I thought that was super cute. So I may end up using this to tie together to make a garland. I also picked up the little cute heart little lace ribbon that Dollar Tree had. I thought that was super sweet. So I may even use this. I'm not sure yet. And then I picked up 2 of these, and then you get 5 in each package. So that could make a nice long garland, or you could even make little heart ornaments and just tie a little ribbon to that and for hanging it and hang it on a Valentine tree as well. That would be really cute. The next thing I got from the Dollar Tree was this cute X and O in the red and white checked. Thought that was really cute, but I may do a DIY with these as well. I have some leftover wrapping paper from Christmas that is in the red and cream ticking striped, and I thought I may just cut that out and decoupage this paper on top and kind of make my own and maybe do the X and O in gold or something, but we'll see. Haven't quite decided on that yet, but I'm thinking about doing a DIY with these. I think they're really cute little big tags that are cute to hang up for Valentine's Day. And then the next thing I got at the Dollar Tree was this cute little envelope with the little love note on there, follow your heart. And I thought the red and white checked was really cute. But again, I may do something different with this too if I have time. We'll see. I may change that up a little bit. And then the next thing I got from the Dollar Tree was this cute little metal envelope. And I would like to paint this in gold because like I said, I wanted to do gold this year. So I may paint that or do something different with it. Change it up a little bit. And then I also picked up this cute little X and O Kisses and Hugs metal sign from the Dollar Tree. And it has a hole on either side here. So you could hang it up, or you could even add this to a garland if you wanted to. And you can have your hearts and your little X's and O's if you wanted to make a cute little Valentine garland as well with that. Okay, so the next things I'm going to show you, let's see, these next 2 items are from Ross. And I already took one of the little heart ornaments out of here, so I'm going to try to put that back in there so you can see it. Now these heart ornaments were actually with the Christmas stuff. So after Christmas, I found these on clearance for $2.49. They were originally $4.99. don't know if you can see that. But it said Peppermint Place on the back, so it was definitely Christmas. So I got them for half off. But you can totally use these for Valentine's Day ornaments, and they would be so cute on a tree. Or you could, again, make a garland, tie them together with some ribbon, and that would be so cute as a garland. So I got 2 of those, and 4 come in each box set. Almost totally forgot to share with you these 2 pillows that I got from Ross, and I thought these would be really pretty for Valentine's Day because of the roses on them, the red roses, and of course I love the Paris Eiffel Tower on them, and love everything about them, and I just thought they'd be perfect for Valentine's Day. And then if I want to, I can also flip them over because they're just a solid red on the back. And I picked this one up for $10.99 at Ross, and I thought that was a good price for this pillow. And it's the perfect size. I already tried it on my trunk. I have like a basket trunk that I use as like a coffee table in my living room, and I have a tray on it and everything, and this fits perfectly as like a cushion for on top of that trunk basket. And we like to put our feet up on that trunk when we're watching movies and stuff at night, so we just take the tray off, and then we have a soft cushion on there for our feet if we want to prop up our feet when we're watching a movie, like I said. So this works perfectly, and I thought it would be very nice for Valentine's Day as well. And then I also found the coordinating pillow in the same fabric, and it's a nice large round one, and that one was also $10.99, the same price. I don't know if you can see that. But, and then this one is also reversible as well with the solid red on the back side. So I thought that was really pretty. It's a really large pillow, and it matches my same size as my other round ones that I have on either end of the sofa. I don't know if you remember those from Christmas that I had on there that I had gotten for Christmas. So it's the same size, so it's fairly large. I don't know if you can tell the size or not. I can put my hand up here. I don't know if that gives you any idea of the size. And I can't even, in fact, I can't even hardly get the whole pillow in on camera here, but it's hard because it's a large pillow. Okay, the next thing I got was from Hobby Lobby. And again, I'm always checking the Christmas stuff for thinking about Valentine's, thinking ahead after Christmas. And so I picked this up after Christmas, and I believe I got it for 75% off. So it even says Christmas tableware right there, $19.99, and I got it 75% off of that. So what a great price for a table runner, right? And you could use this for Valentine's Day, 4th of July, or Christmas, so many different things, right, that you could use the red and white table runner for. So I thought that was a good price at 75% off. And then the next few more items here I have to show you are going to be from Target. So the first thing from Target I picked up was this candle. And this was a candle left over from Christmas, and that got marked down. Originally it was $15, and I got it for $4.50. So if you can see that, I hope you can see that. And the scent is Apple Cinnamon Joy. And it smells so good. And this is great though for Valentine's Day, right? It doesn't have to be just for Christmas. I thought it was so pretty, this glass. And I believe it's called the Mercury glass. But I just thought it was so, so pretty. And this is a soy wax blend candle as well. So I actually ended up getting 2 of them. I already took the tag off of this one because I started burning it because it smells so good. I wanted to try it. I was too excited to try it. But so I ended up getting both of these candles for less than what one of them cost originally. I thought that was a good price on these candles. So $4.50 each. And then I picked up this cute little heart candle because I think I'm going to put this in my bedroom for Valentine's, and maybe set it next to my bed on the nightstand or something, because I do have a little bit of that blush pale pink color in my French country little chairs. They're tapestry chairs, and her dress has a little bit of that color in it. So this was $3. Smells super good. And oops, what is the scent? Sunburst. But it smells really good, and I just thought that would be cute. And even after I use the candle, I can clean out the little glass jar, the little heart jar, and save it just to put little stuff in. But you know, I can reuse it, recycle that, or upcycle it, and it'll be great. The next thing I got at Target were these little cute little tiny boxwood wreaths with the grapevine on the back, and they already have a hanger on them. And these were $5 each in the Target dollar spot or bullseye area, whatever you want to call it. And I thought these would be so cute for Valentine's Day that I picked up 2 of these. So here's the other one. But I always use little wreaths different places around my house. Sometimes I hang them on armoire doors or little windows, or even my cabinet doors in my kitchen. There's so many different things you can do with little small wreaths. I even have little wreaths hanging on the back of my dining room chairs. So I'm always on the lookout for cute little seasonal wreaths and for different holidays. So, okay, the next thing I want to share with you, I got at a cute little shop that is local to me, and it's not that far away, and it's such a cute little shop. And she always has this beautiful French music playing in her shop. It always smells so good in her store, and she always has really cute things. And anyways, picked this up in her shop, and she is the sweetest lady too, the shop owner. So this is like an antique gold color, which is perfect. That's exactly what I want. And it matches my other antique gold stuff in my bedroom. So I think this is gonna go in my bedroom. And of course I have some antique gold stuff down here too on the main floor of our house. So I just loved the color. And to me, it did look like a vintage looking heart. And I got this for $7. I don't know if you can see that little tiny tag on the back. But I loved it, and I loved the little bow on top. I just thought it was the sweetest little thing, and the little scalloped edges here on the side all around. But yeah, her shop is called Lily Fields, and I'm sure you're going to hear me talk about that more in the future, things I pick up from her cute shop. Okay, my next item is this really pretty purse that I think is so cute for Valentine's Day, but also I can use it at Christmas time, 4th of July, anytime when I'm wearing red, right? Have a little red on. And it came with this cute little scarf, which you can wear in your hair. I actually took the tags off already because I already used the purse, but I should have left it on because the tag showed cute little ways that you could wear the different things you could do with the scarf. And so it came with the scarf, and it's a Steve Madden purse, and I love the red and gold because I have a pair of red and gold shoes that this looks super cute with. And yeah, so it was originally, this purse was $24.99, but I had a TJMaxx coupon for $20 off something, so I was able to use that. So I actually got this purse for only $4.99. I have a one of those TJMaxx and Home Goods, Marshalls kind of type of credit card where they will send you emails with coupons, and you also earn points when every time you use your card. So I'm always getting coupons, so I always save those and use them the next time I go out to the store, to one of those stores. So you can use those coupons at TJMaxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. And so yeah, $4.99, what a great deal, right? And I love the fact that it had a long strap and then the cute little short straps if you want to hold it like this. So I just thought I would show that to you, even though it's not a decor item. I just wanted to show that because I thought that was cute for Valentine's Day as well. So especially going out with your sweetie, you might want a little cute little red purse. And so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this Valentine small haul, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, au revoir.